I have one last quick question. It's for Nagarjuna. You have a film called Kubera coming out in June.
Yes.
And alongside Dhanush, who's also a pan-India star, as it were. So, Telugu cinema is now the yardstick for what is known as pan-Indian cinema. So, as one of the biggest stars of Telugu cinema, do you feel any pressure with each film saying that this film has to work across India and not just in the south?
I don't know about others, but I just need to work it out. So that's the way I look at it. Then I feel automatically it starts working elsewhere. And is being proven, like Karti's film, what we talked about, Anuguru talked about. It's called Satyam Sundaram in Telugu. And I loved it. People there also loved the film. So I think basically it works in your language. It is working everywhere. And not just Kubera, now I'm doing another film which I completed with Lokesh Kanagaraj and Rajni sir, Amir Khan, myself, Kendra. It's a huge...
That's cool, right?
Cool, that's pan-India.
We're all there, and Shruti, we're all there, and that is also coming in August. But that is, I worked that film. He just made it thinking it's a Tamil film. That's it. So, I think if it works in its own native language first, it works elsewhere. So, my pressure is that I want to make sure it's working in my language.